You may want to install a free floating shelf that juts out from the wall. In this case, we have an externally mounted bracket, or you could also do an internally inserted bracket into a channel like we've shown in our other videos. The most important thing to remember is this cannot stick out from the wall more than 20 inches so that you can maintain the strength and integrity of your free floating shelf. So let's attach it to the wall. So I've got my shelf attached to the wall. I would insert my set screws, and this application can also be tucked into a corner if you want a corner shelf as well. But just remember that the integrity of this floating shelf is not the same as the integrity of your hover bracket surface. But if you want to increase the strength of this floating shelf, you can always insert a screw on a 45-degree angle through the free floating shelf into a stud.